Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to create a team in Asana. So if you are wondering why you cannot create a team right here where everyone says, it's because of this. Go right here to your workspace and click on Admin Console. This will open up your Admin Console where you can go to Settings and actually convert to organization. Without this step, you will not be able to create new teams. So click on Convert to Organization, and you can read here that you can convert this workspace to organization by linking it to your work email domain. So as if you are organization, just connect everyone at your company that uses Asana in a single space based on your company's shared email domain. So you know how to do this right now, and you will be able to convert if you view this guide for help. They will help you with that. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.